Hi everyone, good day. My name is Choma Michael Flomash Confectionery, and today we'll be learning how to make eggless real velvet cake. It's a very moist recipe. You do not need egg at all, yet it comes out very moist. So this will be saving you a lot money from buying your eggs. So let's get to it. I have my ingredients here, and the recipe, the measurement will be written down. So I have my flour, my sugar, red velvet color. I'm using excellent blend, my cocoa, salt, my clear vanilla from Remy's, cocoa powder, buttermilk, and oil. I'm using King's oil. So let's get started. So I will move everything aside, and then first thing we have to do is to sift all our dry ingredients, which I've already done. So I'm going to sieve. Make sure to sieve your ingredients. So make sure to sieve all, and then I will measure out my cocoa. So like I said, do not bother, that will be written down for you. This is leveled. Please, when you do, level it. Sift. Sifting. Then I will add my sugar. This is my sugar here. Then my color. So color depends on how you want it. Do you want it to deep or not? So I'll be using this. So I will write what I use though, so don't bother, like I said. So remember, level. My salt. So my baking powder, sifting. Please remember to level, very important. So the next thing I will do is to bring them together. Please make sure you combine them very well. It's very important. Combine everything really well. So once you are done combining it, the next thing you have to do is to mix your wet ingredients. Ingredients. Which one do you call it? Is it ingredients or ingredients? So whatever works for you, just I'll start by adding my vegetable oil. These are my measuring cups here. So I'll start by adding my oil. flavor. So my flavor. I don't know where I kept the cover. Okay, so I'll look for the cover later. And then my buttermilk here. And then I'll combine everything together. So you can actually do this one with whisk, hand mixer, stand mixer, whatever works for you. So, but it's not stressful, so I'm just using my spatula to get everything in. So it's a very nice recipe. You don't need egg at all. I'm going to clear this out. So make sure you mix it thoroughly. Very important, please. So like I said, you can use hand mixer for this. You can use hand mixer and stand mixer, whatever type of mixer you want to mix with. But as you can see, I've already done this with what's it called now? With just spatula, and it's perfectly okay. So you just make sure to get your flour, the dry ingredients to break in. So I'll be baking this in a size, this can do an 8-inch pan perfectly. So I am going to use 7-inch pan. So the last thing I will do is to add vinegar. So the vinegar is what gives it that acidic taste for what's it called? For red velvet. So I'm going to add, that's the last thing I'll add, the vinegar, and then I will get to my pan immediately. So once you put your vinegar, you need to bake, turn and bake immediately, so that it will work. The acidity from this thing will work fast. So can I have the pan? The pan. So for this recipe, there's nothing like hot water. No hot water. The what's it called? The vinegar will also help it loosen out a bit. So I'm using size 7 round pan. So you can double this recipe as much as you want, please. Very important. You can double as much as you want to get the size you want. So you can see that I'm just using one 7-inch pan for this. Okay, so time to bake. Okay, so I'll see you guys when I'm done baking, and this is what it looks like. So you can see how watery and it actually smells really nice. So I'll see you when the cake is ready. Thank you. Okay, so our red velvet is done. Look at it. Look at how moist it is. Look at, so nice. And it really tastes so nice. So it's still a bit hot. So I hope you can see. Look at the moisture. It's a very nice cake. Even without egg, can't believe how moist it is. Look at it. Look at So, guys, so let's thank you for joining, and I can't wait to see your practical. You'll be licking your hand like this when you are done. Thank you.